morning. It's a better morning this morning. The sun is up. It's supposed to rain later, but I'm going to take advantage of this sun here this morning and go do my daily walk. Haven't been able to do it this week because of the rain. Rain and rain and rain. It wouldn't stop raining. So I'm out here this morning. I'm going for my walk and I'll catch up with y'all later. See, the sun is out. So I'm gonna start my walk this morning. Make the best of it. Yep. So I'm coming back here to the little garden that I have, little makeshift garden that I put up here. Well, Charmin and myself put up. It's more her project than mine. And we're gonna see how it comes along. I'm just assisting, but over here we have the shadow benny, or culantro, or bandania, as you call it. Any name, fever grass. We got this when we went up Orlando and brought it down here and planted and see how it's going to progress. We have some Spanish thyme here that was dying, and we decided to put it over here and see what happens, see if we can bring it back to life. Aloes, some fresh basil, and newly planted lettuce, mixed greens. So this just started to sprout, so hopefully we don't get much rain over the next couple of days and they start to grow better. So I'm gonna come across here to my little makeshift sunroom where I sow the seeds, or where we sow the seeds, and they're all labeled as to what they are. So they're coming along. So this weekend here, we're going to transplant them and put them into bigger pots. That's the plan, that's the goal. Into bigger pots, we're going to put them into. The beets just started to come up. Took a while for that to come up. And what we did, we took some top off of some beets and put it here to see if the roots would catch and plant it, So that's it for the day with my little garden that I keep saying I, but it's we, Charmin is the one started this. I'm just assisting and helping out and following her directions. So there you go, folks. Thank you once again for looking at the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.